Replacing the timer motor is very simple. First, you will want to unplug your power cord, and you may find your old motor prior to 1999 will look like this. 2000 to 2003 it looks like this, and anything newer than 2003 will look like this. So this is our replacement. You do not need to turn the water off to change the timer motor. Just like I said, remember to unplug the electric. Now you're going to need to work on this from the back, and I'm going to cheat and spin mine around. You wouldn't be able to do this without disconnecting some plumbing. Now you'll either have 4 screws, or newer models have 2 screws. And some models the cover goes straight up and you don't have to take this back plate off. And you need a small Phillips, and you just want to take the small screws that are on either side of the motor out, and just note that they are very small and they'll come right out. Okay, don't want to lose these guys. It's hard to find replacements for them. So now we have the motor out, and if you're lucky, you have wire nuts on your 2 power wires. Some models will have crimped on, in which case you can uncrimp them with a pair of pliers and then pull them apart. Because what you want to do is end up with just your power wires just kind of twisted together just a little bit. Okay, so we have our power wires free. You'll see where the motor gear just sits in that hole. You do not need to take this metal plate off, and you're better off if you don't. Then you don't have to worry about the gears or anything that's behind that. Now you get your new replacement motor. 2 wires kind of slightly started. Take your old wire nuts, or some new ones if you had to get them. Just spin it on there until it starts tightening up. Do the same with the other. Now this would be the same if you were using the 24-volt motor. It will have blue wires instead of black, and you'll just have your 2 wires coming from your transformer. And you'll note there is a green ground wire here, but you don't need to touch that. That just stays stuck to the plate. And there's no alignment, so just put the motor back in place, getting your gear in the hole so your 2 little holes line up. And this is the tricky part, kind of trying to keep that screw on and get it started. Okay, it's back together. Now you plug it in and you'll see it starts spinning right here in the back. Go ahead and slip your cover back on, and remember to set the time of day in the front. and you're done. It's really not hard. You can do it.